Check out this beautiful whittling knife that comes in a genuine leather sheath. And this knife is a high carbon steel blade. It is very sharp, very well crafted. And this is great for, you can put it on your belt loop to be able to hold it there. And this knife is very well made to be able to just whittle away at different things. You can use this for a lot of different stuff here. Super easy. You can see just how easy it is to just have a little bit of pressure and be able to whittle away at things here. It is a nice beveled edge on both sides of the blade. You can kind of see it there. Very well made, very well crafted, nice wooden handle, very durable. And this is great. You can carve different things out of this. You can make the little woodland creatures out of this. You can make a nice sharp spear. This is great for camping in the woods, and be able to use this, and then you could go fishing with this. We're just about there, just after just a few moments. This knife can make a very sharp spear, and a lot of different things. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with this little whittling knife. This is also just a great day-to-day knife to be able to have on you and be able to keep it nice and secure. This is a really thick leather sheath. So even though this is an extremely sharp tip here, I don't have to worry about it going through and ending up poking me or hitting my side, because this is a very well made leather sheath that completely covers the whole handle, so it stays secure. You don't have to worry about it falling out, and you don't have to worry about the tip of the blade poking you, because it is very thick and durable. Overall, I highly recommend this. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.